We've been getting a little rain this morning, but I do not mind because my flowers love it. And if they love it, I love it too. So here we are, first thing in the morning in the hot rod shop. Yesterday I got the emergency brake handle installed on the inside here. Right here. Probably can't see that yet because I ain't even turned the lights on. Oh, let there be light. So I got this handle in place. I got the part up underneath the car where the cables connect all in place. Ordered my cables. Going to be a day or two before they get here. So I did some other stuff yesterday that never made it to video. I ordered a little gizmo that goes onto the primary crankcase ventilation on a Chevrolet that takes the place of the primary crankcase ventilation tube that would normally have run out of the back of the motor and run across the back of the engine. And it has a little nipple on it that allows you to run a PCV valve, which originally I wasn't planning to use, but I changed my mind. And I installed that yesterday, and I reinstalled a layer of the silicone goop there where I had a leak. And Cutworm said something on Facebook that made me stop and think. He said pull the distributor out and do that same thing from the inside, and a little light bulb in my head went ding, and I thought, yeah, I can do that. If I pull that distributor out, I could reach over inside of there and I could put that little dab of stuff from the inside without taking the manifold off. Now, why didn't I think of that? I don't know, but that's why I got friends like Cutworm out there, is because they help me think of things that I had never thought about, that being one of them. So I may do that this morning while the right there, while it's sitting right there. I might just loosen that, and that would actually give me a chance to replace this big piece of chrome right here. Rusty Acres sent me an original Chevy 283 distributor bracket, the bracket that holds the distributor in place. And he sent me one of those, and I put it someplace where I would remember where it was at and forgot it, and then remembered it later. I put it in here. Oh, something just fell on me. Wait a minute. Did I put it in here? I think I put it in here. I might need a light. Well, I got a light right here. Let's see if I can turn it on. It's gonna work. Okay. Now, didn't I put it in here, Rusty? Yeah, there it is. Right there. That is the original one with the original bolt. And I probably won't use the original bolt, but I think I will use that. My blower is what fell on me. This fell off the wall. This is the blower. I used to run a blower on the rat rod. A lot of people don't realize that. But I did have a blower on there. That's it up there. So this would take the place of, gonna get way around to here. This would take the place of that. And the other thing I'm going to do today is install some new plug wires. I had a plug wire that came unplugged from itself the other day, so I went online and ordered me a set of these XL plug wires to go on it. They should be yeller. Let's sit y'all down here. I can get both hands on the wheel. I'm going to pull these out and make sure they sent me the ones I want, because not all the plug wires are made exactly the same. Some of them fit things that don't fit others. believe it or not. It ain't like the old days where everything just about fit everything else just about. Nowadays things is just different. So these ones are the type, well, they don't have the little lumpy thing on them, but I think they will fit. Is that 8? It doesn't look like 8. It is 8, right? One, two, three, 4. That's 4 wires. And that's not when I want it. I didn't want 4 wires. Those ain't even the kind of wires I wanted. Well, I mean, they got the wrong ends on them. I'm gonna have to go look at what I ordered and find out why I only got 4 wires. I'll be back.